Hi, Saket.
Hi.
Hi. Thank you for answering some of my very basic yet critical questions about PMI-ACP certification eligibility today. Before we get started, would you please introduce yourself to our audience?
Hi, I am Saket Bansal. I have been working as a development team member and project manager for 15 years. And nowadays I train people on project management. I am an agile coach. I train people for PMI ACP and PMP certification.
Great, thank you. Okay, let's start, Saket. Talking about the eligibility to start with, who can actually give this certification exam?
If you have been working on projects for 2 years, say precisely speaking for 20 months, you are eligible for PMI ACP exam. Out of these 20 months, you should have been working on agile projects for 8 months. So if you have worked on agile projects for 8 months and you have 20 months of experience, you are eligible.
Great. And I'm a certified PMP professional, so am I eligible?
If you are PMP certified, you have already demonstrated that you have 3,000 years of experience, 3,000 hours of experience
Okay.
to PMI. Now what you need to demonstrate is that you need to show that you have been working on Agile for 8 months. So you need to demonstrate that you have been using Agile for 8 months. Once you demonstrate that, you are eligible.
Great. Saket, actually one of my friends, he's a tester. So does he qualify to take this PMI certification exam?
Yeah, a lot of time we get confused with PMI, ACP, and we consider this very equivalent to PMP certification. Now PMP certification was for project managers. Unlike PMP, PMI ACP certifications is for all professionals. So yes, you are eligible. Any tester can become PMI ACP certified if he has been working on Agile for 8 months.
Great, that's a good news for him actually. Um, just a few more questions, Saket. We were discussing with the friends and then we were stuck at something. Do we need to have Scrum experience to qualify this exam?
See, unlike PMI is not insisting on a particular methodology. So if you have been following any of the agile methodology, you are eligible for PMI ACP exam. You could be following extreme programming or you may be following your homegrown agile methodology. Till the time you are aligned with agile values and principles, you qualify for an exam.
Wow, that's all very positive so far. So how do I go ahead now?
First, you need to select a training company who can provide you the 21 contact hours of Agile education. Now, this Agile education you can acquire by selecting any of the training provider. There are many. But I would recommend you select a training provider who facilitate the complete PMI ACP certification journey, who remains with you till the time you get certified. So select a training provider and get certified.
And your company does that already?
Yes, we do. We do PMI ACP training, and our approach is a bit different than any other. Unlike other training providers, that 21 contact hour training is just a starting point of our PMI ACP journey. We start with those 21 contact hours, but we help our candidates, our customers, to analyze their readiness throughout the journey. We help them in filling the PMI ACP form, we do their diagnosis of their simulation exam results, we recommend additional reading material if required during the course of journey, and we remain with them till the time they get certified. We get them certified. So that is how we take PMI ACP certification.
Awesome, awesome. Well, Saket, thank you so much. Actually, at least I'm very much interested to join you guys, and I'm going to contact you after like in couple of days. And I'm sure
That's
this
nice.
video is going to help many others,
Definitely.
professionals as well. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Saket. Thank you.